Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to make spooky eyeballs. So you need chocolate tea cakes, food pens and some chocolate, and that's all you need. First you need to melt some chocolate in the microwave. First you put the tea cakes on the tray and melt them with chocolate. So this is what you have, and you can be done lightly, and then you start to put the white chocolate on top. A couple of minutes for the chocolate to go hard. There are two ways of decorating your eyeballs. So you could do this kind or that kind, by pencil kind or icing kind. Watch, I'll show you. I like doing the icing way better because it's really easy. For this next spooky tree, you have to pour chocolate in the tray. You need to spread it all over with a very flat knife. Spread, spread, spread. Take a spoonful of white chocolate. Then use this to make a tail and two arms. When you've done the spooky ghost, you can put eyeballs on them. And which one's your favourite? Bye everybody.